Ever wondered who's behind your favorite websites and apps? If you're passionate about technology and want to create amazing digital experiences, a career as a web developer might be the perfect match. In this video, I'll walk you through the steps to turn your passion into a fulfilling career in web development. Welcome back to the channel. Web developers are the architects of the online world. They are the ones who bring ideas to life by building and maintaining websites and applications. From sleek e-commerce platforms to engaging social media sites, web developers are the core to everything we experience online. Paths to become a web developer. The great thing about becoming a web developer is that there isn't just one path. You can choose the one that fits you the best. Self-taught. Dive into online resources, tutorials, and coding challenges at your own pace. This path gives you the flexibility to learn as you go. Coding bootcamps. Immerse yourself in intensive hands-on training programs that focus on practical skills and real-world projects. Bootcamps are great for those who want to get up to speed quickly. Online courses and certificates. Gain structured learning and credentials that can help you stand out in the job market. These courses provide a solid foundation and are often more affordable than traditional education. College degrees. If you're looking for a comprehensive education, consider pursuing a degree in computer science or a related field. This path provides a deep understanding of the theory behind web development and can open doors to more advanced roles. Essential skills for web developers. To thrive as a web developer, you'll need a mix of technical know-how and soft skills. Technical skills. HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the building blocks of the web. Backend languages. Learn languages like Python, Ruby, or Java to handle server-side logic. Databases. Get comfortable with SQL and other database management tools. Version control. Master Git to collaborate with other developers and track your projects. Front-end frameworks. Learn popular frameworks like React, Angular, or Vue to create dynamic, responsive user interfaces. Workplace skills. Problem solving and critical thinking. These are crucial for troubleshooting and finding efficient solutions to coding challenges. Creativity and design sense. A good eye for design can help you create more user-friendly and visually appealing websites. Communication and teamwork. Working well with others and clearly explaining your ideas are key to success in any team environment. Attention to detail. Small mistakes can lead to big issues in code, so a keen eye for detail is essential. Adaptability. The tech industry is constantly evolving, so being open to learning new tools and techniques is a must. Building your portfolio. One of the best ways to showcase your skills is building a strong portfolio. Start with personal projects. Create websites or apps that reflect your interests and strengths. This not only shows what you can do, but also demonstrates your passion for web development. Contribute to open source projects. Collaborate with other developers and learn from their experiences. It's a great way to build connections and enhance your skills. Continuous learning. The tech industry moves fast, so staying up to date is crucial. Keep exploring new technologies, tools, and best practices. Continuous learning isn't just important, it's essential for staying relevant and advancing in your career. Tips for success. As you embark on your journey to becoming a web developer, keep these tips in mind. Master the basics. Before diving into complex projects, make sure you have a solid understanding of the fundamentals. Value workplace skills. Remember that communication, teamwork, and other soft skills are just as important as your technical abilities. Embrace challenges. Every obstacle is an opportunity to learn and grow. Don't be afraid to take on tough projects. Focus on user experience. Always aim to create websites that are user-friendly and accessible. Listen to feedback and make improvements. Enjoy the process. Web development is a creative and rewarding career. Embrace the challenges and learn from your mistakes. And most importantly, have fun building amazing digital experiences. If you're ready to start your journey to becoming a web developer, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications on more important content like this. Drop a comment below with any questions or your own experiences with web development. I'd love to hear from you. And don't forget to check out the resources linked in the description to start learning. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.